They want a weak China.
Who's they?
Some
China?
countries from the West.
Okay.
Yeah, you know the big one.
Some people, many human rights bodies, allege that some of the products we import from China are made through slave labor, specifically through Uyghurs who are forcefully transplanted to places to work against their will.
This is an old question. 2 months ago, I met a diplomatic affairs speaker of your Xinfen party. That gentleman asked me the same question. I said to him, do you know how many Uyghurs people in China? He said, I think it's 3 million. That number exists in 1952. Now it's 12 million. After the lots of criticize on China, it said after the killing of the Uyghur people, after the torture of the Uyghur people, the number from 3 million go up to 12 million. For the products, do you have any evidence on the products if it is made from the way you are just suggested?
Yeah, well, no, as I said, many human rights bodies, excuse me, and journalistic organizations are alleging this has happened. Where are these reports coming from? Are you suggesting people are just making them up?
It's a way of contain China. They use lots of things like Uyghur, Xinjiang, and also Tibet, Xizang, Taiwan, these kind of things, to contain China, because in the past, 40 years ago, China is very, very weak, very poor. They are accustomed to that. They want a weak China.
Ambassador, who's they? Who's they that wants a weak China?
Some countries from the West.
Okay.
Yeah.
What countries?
You know the big one.
Okay, that big one. Okay. Okay, I'm guessing you're saying the US, wants a weak China.
Yes. They don't want a big or prosperous, a strong China.